guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an install of a headlight bracket lowering set that I bought from the Ruck Shop. And there's not really any videos on this, so it's kind of going to be like figuring out as we go. So this is the kit. Comes like this. It was like $34. It's just a couple pieces. This is probably just going to be temporary for me. I'm going to wind up doing something else, but I just want to see what it looks like, and for the money, might as well give it a shot. So let's go ahead and jump right into the install. Alright guys, obviously the first thing you're going to have to do is remove your headlight bracket that's on there now. Now mine's already loose, so as you can see I did this right before I turn on the camera. And if you didn't change over your hardware yet, mine are all Allen screws, but I think the factory size is a 8mm or a 10mm to remove this thing. No big deal. I might have to
go to the Ruck Shop's page and look at a picture, because there's all these weird spacers in there. Not really even sure what the spacers are for, but I guess we'll find out as we go. Hopefully I can still use my Jessup hardware, which I don't think I'm going to be able to.
see, this bracket goes right here. The bolts that come with this kit are 4mm Allen heads. Alright, let's see. Now this bracket goes... now I see why the spacers are there. Alright, so it comes with these spacers. So now these spacers are going to go back here like so to get you over the little hump right here in the box. Now it makes sense. And then it comes with another spacer that's going to go on the outside of this now, of the bracket. So it looks like I'll still be able to use my dress-up hardware on these bottom ones, but I don't know about the top one. Let me just get one in here so I can hold this thing. think this was $34, $33 and some change, something like that. So it's a budget friendly mod if you're just looking for something to do. It's pretty easy. Doesn't take any time. At least I don't have to hold the headlight now. Alright, last but not least, I might be able to use my dress-up hardware with this too. And don't forget to put this spacer in here. Only catches a couple threads. Well, that was an easy install. And this one, I'm gonna go and add a drop Loctite because there's barely any threads on there. Need this stuff. So we'll just put a little dab of this. Just a drop. Not too much. Just so it doesn't vibrate out. That's pretty much it. tighten down those top bolts, so maybe I'll do that. And what is going on? What is it? Not a 4 in Harbor Freight? Got Harbor Freight Allen keys, and it's not a number 4. Craftsman, it's a number 4. Harbor Freight, it's a number 3. That's it. Install complete. Well, stand back, see what it looks like. Well, it really brought the headlights down a lot lower, that's for sure. I would say 2 inches maybe. 1.5 inches. If you like how lowered headlights look, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is definitely the way to go. It don't look half bad, actually. And I also got, which I don't think I'm going to be able to use, but back in the day when I used to ride BMX bikes, we used to put donuts on our grips. So I found these guys on Amazon, but I don't know if they're gonna work. So let's crack them open and see. And just so everybody knows, donut grips, donuts for your grips do not work. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Real quick install, cheap part from the Ruck Shop. Go check them out. And until next time, keep on riding, stay safe, peace.